Hello, good day everyone. I'm here at John Smith Bay in Bermuda. So, ang dami talagang lugar dito na hindi pa napupuntahan. So this is Bermuda grass. It's called Bermuda Islands. So kahit saan dito, there's a lot of Bermuda grass. So napakaganda ng landscape nila dito. Saka dyan yung mga houses sa taas. At ang ganda ng mga views nila dito. So medyo kalmado ngayon. Little bit calm. Not too windy. I think someone should go for fishing here. Look at that, it's very nice here. The landscape over there. And there's a flag of Bermuda Islands. I think it's Bermuda house. It's a British Bermuda flag. So today is 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'll show you guys a nice view in here, in the other side. So that's the main road right there. That's called South Road. I think there's someone's dead in there. What is in there? Let's show. There's a flower in here. I think someone's. Oh no! It's so sad. It's a fish. Like fish in there. So sad. Sorry about that. So this is a cliff here. Sobrang taas. Puro maraming mga isda dito. Ang daming doon yung kaliskis niya. So as usual, puro sa rocks. Pakaganda at mayroong table and chair dito kung gusto mo mag-picnic. So it's nice day today. Here in the islands, a little bit windy and cold, freezing cold. Cold here. So I leave the dogs right there just for 5 minutes. And there's nice in here. Look at that. Look at the view here. Hello guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So this is more views here. Right here. Oh, nice in here. Oh, it's really cool. Puro siya rock. That's my house is dyan. I think that's my friend's house before. Right here. Live in the top of the hill. So right here is it's more cliff in here. Ano pa kataas? Taas dito. So medyo kalmado ngayon yung tubig. So siya masyadong nagka-crashing yung waves. Kaya yan, yung naglalakad. Naginaw siya. Ginaw siya. Mukhang kuhan siya, Pilipina. Sa kabayan. So ayan. So this is the view in the other side. So this is the St. John Park, like a very small park here. Oh, Parang nagkukuha nito. Iba yung kanya, oh, parang nihigop niya yung tubig. Oh. Napakasarap pakinggan ng sounds ng waves. Look at that. Oh, nice in here. Kailangan napaka-sharp yung rock dito. Ang taas, medyo makakalakas na yung alon niya. Sa ngayon, kasi paiba-iba yung kanya. Yung alon, tingnan mo ngayon. So yan. So yan guys, ang ganda ng view dito. So pasokin natin doon. Look at this, there's a lot of local spinach here. This is local spinach guys. There's a lot here. There's a lot wild spinach. Napaka fresh. Ang fresh niya. So yan ang dami. Can mix sauté in onions or mix salad, but a little bit tough so you can cook properly. Oh, there's more spinach here. Ano ba yan dito? Pasukin ko nga dito. Parang napaka sukal dito eh. So yan. So I try to go over there. So what can I say? Up there. Oh wow, it's nice in here. It's nice and cool. Ang ganda. So ayan, mga bahay dyan sa likod. Sobrang taas, napakataas. Balik na tayo. Dito come back. Oh, it's too high in here. Look at that. So marami pa talagang lugar dito sa island na hindi pa na-explore, naiikot dito. Aragoy. Saan sumusuot eh. Whew. Ganda ng view dito. Ganda na maglakad, napaka-relaxing. Peace and quiet place. Yan. So this is video for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Tikla Coco channel. Bye for now.